Looking for the perfect shade solution for your backyard or patio? In this video, we're diving into the best outdoor patio umbrellas to elevate your outdoor space with both style and function. We upload quality videos daily to help you discover top products with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart picks. Number 1. Blissful 9-foot aluminum patio umbrella. For its low price, we were impressed by the Blissful 9-inch patio umbrella's ability to provide ample, deep shade that effectively blocks sun and rain. While testing, we had no trouble using a laptop under this umbrella, even in the bright Los Angeles sun. During our testing period, we experienced unusually heavy rain in California, and the umbrella kept us completely dry. To help keep it sturdy, we filled the base, sold separately, with sand and water, and it withstood heavy winds without any issues. The manufacturer recommends just filling it with water, but we found that the sand added more security. The 100% polyester shade is waterproof and UV resistant, and we didn't notice any fading after weeks in the sun. However, the crank mechanism is a bit awkward, forcing you to put your arm up the pole of the umbrella as you close it. While we wish it were lower, we still found it accessible and easy to use. Number 2. Grand Patio Deluxe Napoli Offset Umbrella. Cantilever umbrellas provide unobstructed shade over a large surface area, like a patio set, and this product is no exception. While testing, we felt it offered great protection from the sun, which was especially helpful when lounging with little ones. The 11-foot canopy shades 95 square feet without an annoying pole in the middle of your dining table or conversation pit. A common fear about cantilever umbrellas is that they are difficult to assemble and move, but we found that this option was a breeze. One of our favorite things about this was the hidden wheels, which are perfect for maneuvering around a deck or patio, offsetting the heaviness of the umbrella and stand. The canopy stretches 11 feet wide, joining our best for large spaces pick for the largest canopy on this list. We placed the umbrella in the yard by the barbecue area, and when it rained, everything under the canopy remained completely dry. Number 3. Blissful Lighted Patio Umbrella. We think the Blissful 9-foot lighted patio umbrella is the perfect option for anyone who wants to spend more time outdoors, even when the sun goes down. During testing, we found ourselves using our patio more than ever before. We loved how the 4 solar-powered LED lights on each of its 8 ribs provided festive lighting and ambience to our outdoor space. The tilt mechanism and its hand crank are easy to operate with minimal effort. During testing, we noted that the alloy steel pole and tilting mechanism were high quality and surprisingly light. However, we weren't as enthusiastic about the canopy, noting that even though it cleaned up easily, and the manufacturer claims it's UV resistant, it didn't block out all the sun. You may need to squint a bit to read your laptop while sitting underneath, so it's best for overcast or milder days. Still, we were impressed with the product's overall value and wide color selection. Number 4. Elite Shade 3-Tier Market Umbrella. After testing patio umbrellas for several years, this umbrella remains our best overall for many reasons. Its ease of assembly, sturdiness, durability, one-hand crank and one-button tilt mechanism, and water resistance. While testing, we loved how effectively it kept the sun off a fairly large area. It shaded the area so completely that we didn't need to increase our laptop's screen brightness while sitting underneath it. We also found that the thick, acrylic fabric repelled rainwater well, and we could completely and quickly clean up the artificial bird dew we introduced during our tests. The manufacturer claims the acrylic material canopy doesn't fade for at least 5 years. This effectiveness remained the same after 6 months of use to our delight. Number 5. Pure Garden 10-foot Patio Umbrella. Spend a lot of time outdoors? This 10-foot patio umbrella from Pure Garden can tilt in either direction so you can block the sun all day long. We also like its generous shade area for the size. We could fit a bistro set under it or a larger table with 4 chairs. The umbrella is available in 9 different solid colors, making it a stylish addition to any outdoor space. Assembly couldn't be simpler. In less than 1 minute, we were able to insert the lightweight alloy steel pole into a base, not included, and open the acrylic canopy with the plastic hand crank. The product tilted with the press of a button, but we believe some people might find it hard to reach. At home, We loved how easy it was to move around, thanks to its lightweight construction. We found that it provided ample shade for kids to comfortably play outside in the peak, midday heat. Plus, we were able to easily disassemble it for simple off-season storage.